What's up guys, it's Pat here, back with another video. This video, I'm gonna unbox the Redmi Note 7, the 32GB and 3GB RAM version. You get on Flipkart for 10,398 with the Flipkart Complete Mobile Protection, that's just the insurance. And if you want it without, it will cost you 9,999 rupees, approximately 10,000 rupees. So let's go, let's get into it. So we'll open this package. Okay, so sorry Flipkart logo. Okay, so the device is made in India, but the parts are made in China. They just assemble it. This is the build, which is not to be shown. Okay, so the Oxy Black version. This is the back side of the box. This is the front side. This is the other side, and here is the main box. So we are going to open it. Redmi Note 7 by Xiaomi. So let's just open these two seals. So here you go. First you get some, okay, so what you get in this is the plastic case and some user manual which no one needs. Next one, you get the black case with the black color phone and the other color cases with the other phones, means the color phones. So then here what you have is the main piece itself. Great. Well, the sticker, and here is the sheet. So let's zoom it. This comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 and a 16cm 6.3-inch FHD Plus and notch display. Here's the water drop notch. We'll come to the main device later, but this is how it looks with the without the stickers. This is the back side and this is the front side. Then what you get is the USB Type-C cable. This time it's great that they included the USB Type-C and charging adapter, but sadly this charger is it's not a fast charger, but the phone is capable of fast charging. So like if you have a Poco or a Poco F1 that's also by Xiaomi, any phone by Xiaomi which includes a fast charger, you can just use that. So it's not like I won't use it much. So let's come to the phone itself. This has a 400 mAh, 400 milliamp hour battery, and let's just boot it up. Does it even have battery? Yes, it has. It comes with Gorilla Glass 5 in the front and the back. It has a 12 MP and 2 MP dual cameras, and yeah. The entire phone is made with only glass and plastic. This is completely plastic, the two buttons and the SIM tray. So it comes with MIUI 10 Android Pie in the box. So English India. Choose your region, India, India, setting region. Okay, so choose network. So I'm choosing the network. Update the IP address connected. Agree. Skip the setup. Next. Checking for update. This may take a few minutes. Okay, so copy apps. Okay, so guys, I'm back again because the setup was taking a long time, so I just skipped some part and then now I'm here. So we skipped the setup and this is the default interface of the MIUI 10 in the Redmi Note 7 and this is the back of the phone. So it's a nice glass back. So what is so surprising that we have a headphone jack. That's great because nowadays all phones don't have. Most of the phones. The sticker. I don't need you. Yeah. So most of the phones don't have a headphone jack. So to show some samples of the camera, I'm gonna shoot some photos and attach it at the end of the video. So if you want to see the camera quality, you'll get it. So let's just see how good the speaker and all is. So I'll just put one of my videos to check the speaker quality. So here. So suppose we are putting the Poco F1 unboxing.
What's guys, it's Fatih back with another video. This is the second time I'm gonna unbox Poco F1.
Okay, so if you haven't seen the video, I'll put it in the top right corner. But like I've heard in the reviews that this phone has really bad speakers, so I just wanted to check it out. So it's not like that. It may be in some cases. So let's just put the cover on and see the work. The earpiece speaker is out here and the front camera is out here. They have not improved the case, but that's still great. The phone is so great at 9,999 rupees. The Redmi Note 7 Pro has a 48 megapixel camera, whereas this has a 12 megapixel camera. The MRP of this phone is 12,999, but right now on Flipkart and MI store without any code you'll get for 9,999. So this is the entire phone. You get many of the apps, but a lot of ads as well because it's MI. It's really, I don't know how to stop the ads because MI had said that we'll not stop the ads. So this is it, the unboxing and review of the Redmi Note 7 Indian retail version.